Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then you have to enter additional settings, then go to the language and input, manage keyboards, then you go to this Gboard settings, languages, add keyboard. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, where is my favorite? Let's select, for example, Georgian. And now let's try to write something down in Georgian language. And as you can see, now I have Georgian layout on my keyboard here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.